Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Stripe to your GoHighLevel sub-account. First, log into your GoHighLevel account. Make sure you are inside the correct sub-account where you want to accept payments. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down and click on Payments. After you are inside the Payments section, look at the top area of the page and click on the Integrations tab. This is where you can connect payment providers to your account. You will see different options, including Stripe. Find the Stripe option and click the Connect button next to it. As soon as you click Connect, you will be redirected to Stripe's website. If you already have a Stripe account, log in using your email and password. If you do not have one yet, you can create a new Stripe account by following the sign-up steps on the screen. After logging in, Stripe will ask you to authorize the connection with GoHighLevel. Review the details and click to allow access. This gives GoHighLevel permission to process payments through your Stripe account. Once you complete the authorization, you will be redirected back to GoHighLevel automatically. This confirms that the integration was successful and your Stripe account is now connected. Thanks for watching.